Hi, my name is Jasper. I use he, him pronouns, and I am from Boulder, Colorado. I'm in the Honors College here at UVM, and I am undeclared in the College of Arts and Sciences. Today I'm going to show you around University Heights North, which is the residence hall that houses most of our Honors College students. So follow me. Alright, we are here in the entryway to University Heights North. Behind me to my right is going to be the advising office. Normally all of our advisors will be there ready to help you at a moment's notice, but right now they're all virtual due to COVID. Hopefully they will be back soon. Over here is our game room slash kitchen. There's a pool table that you can rent cues from the front desk over there. There's vending machines, foosball, TVs for football, and I made banana bread in there the other day. This is unfortunately locked right now, but this is one of our 3 classrooms in University Heights North. I had a class in there my first semester on campus. And if you follow me, we're going to go over here and check out the front desk. Alright, right now we're in the main lobby of University Heights North. Behind me is a large study space for any students that need to come down and get some work done. Right now we're just socially distanced. Usually there's a little bit more furniture over here. If we move over here, we have the front desk, which is manned by some lovely individuals that will get you your package, and you can check out vacuums, brooms, anything that you need to help take care of your room back here. And then just follow me over here. Your mailbox will be in one of these little alcoves over here. You'll get a combination on it with your room key, and that'll be how you open it up and get any cards that are mailed to you. And like I said, if you get a package, you just show them your CAT card and they'll get you that at the front desk. It gets a little chaotic here on Sunday nights, which is what time it is right now. But as you can see, we've got washing machines all down here and then dryers all down here. They are completely free. You just need to bring your own detergent and know how to do laundry. Here we are. We've got a lovely view of the mountains over there. And then here is sort of the courtyard area with grasses and such. My room is right over there on the 3rd floor. We've got some picnic tables and chairs here. I have a class here every Tuesday and Thursday that we do outdoors until it gets too cold, and then we'll go into this classroom right there, which is another one of our classrooms here in University Heights North. Alright, we are on the 3rd floor of University Heights North, Tower 2, and I'm going to show you all a study space and then my room. Follow me. Right here is the larger of our 2 study rooms on this floor. All floors have at least one study room that you can go to if your roommate is sleeping or you need to just change of pace for your studies. Most of them have a whiteboard. They all are equipped with furniture like this. And in the COVID era, we have disinfecting wipes that you can use to disinfect your space before and after you leave. And here's the view from this one right here. And then the other one across the hall right here. I'm not going to go in it, but that one is my favorite. It's got a window facing east over the green room, and I get up very early to do my homework because I procrastinate, and then I like to watch the sunrise in the morning. Next up, we have the main event, which is my room. Welcome to my abode. Every room is going to be equipped with 2 dressers. This one is mine right here. Got it all filled up, as you can see. Everybody has a different organizational system for that. Each room is also going to come with 2 desks, which are over here with desk chairs. This is my roommate Russell. They also come with beds here that you can move up and down depending on your preference. My personal preference is just a little too high to get into and not high enough to stack bins under, so just perfect. If you need a little bit more room for activities, you can bunk them, and then you have this available. And then they also come with these, we're using them as nightstands, but they come underneath the desk, and they got 2 drawers in there that you can use for whatever you want. And over here, University Heights North, we are in what's called a private double. So we have our own bathroom, which is quite outfitted, as you can see. It's going to come with a shower, and then a toilet right here, and then a couple towel hooks, and then we used command strips to create a little bit of an extra oomph there for more hanging. They also have this drying rack right here. Other rooms are suite style bathrooms, so if we were in a different hall, it would be a larger bathroom here with a communal sink, and then there would be another double room across from us. And singles work the same way. And over here we have our sink. The private double has the sink out like this. And then it comes with these. I found these at Goodwill for $12 my first year on campus, and I was pretty stoked about that, to say the least. But other than that, we have our room. Our room faces the courtyard over here. It's got a lot of natural light for growing any cacti or sea monkeys that you need to. And Russell can see the mountains as he wakes up in the morning, and it points out east to where the lovely leaves are. And other than that, that's just kind of a day in the life of our room here in University Heights North. So thank you.